Good day, students. Advocate Bapusaheb Bhonde High School welcome you all in our digital school. Myself, Mrs. Rohini Sole, I am the class teacher of Standard 4. I am going to teach you EVS 2. So, today we are going to study more about lesson number 4, Shivaji Childhood. And children, this is our part 2. We are going to revise new words which are going to come across in this part. So you all know what you have to do. You have to revise with me. So you will learn all the words very easily. So let's start. Our first word is education. Education. Education means the teaching or the training of the people. Then next word devotional. Devotional. Devotional means religious worship. Next word occasions. Occasions. Occasions means a particular time when something is happened. Next word exploits. Exploits. Exploits means interesting things done by great men. Then display. Display. Display means to show. Yes. Then last word is invented. Invented. Invented means to think or to make something first time. Now, next word interesting. Interesting. Interesting means entertaining. Then perfection. Perfection. Perfection means done exactly or done very well. Then relish. Relish. Relish means to enjoy something very much. So children, here our content outline which we are going to study in this part. So we are going to study about Shivaji childhood. In the first part, we studied about the unsettled condition of Shahaji Raje. He was in a great trouble, and at the same time, Jizabai was pregnant. She was going to have a baby soon. And Shahaji Raje was worried about this. So Shahaji Raje remembered the Shivneri fort, which was very strong, massive doors, strong fortification means this fort was very strong. Nobody was able to attack that fort. So Vijayaraje was a relative of Bhosle family. He was also an in charge of Shivneri fort. On 19th February 1630, Jizabai gave birth to young Shivaji Maharaj. So here our Shivaji childhood part starts. When Shivaji was very young, at that time he was only 6 years old. But still the situation was not stable. Shahaji Raje, Shivaji's father, was constantly on a run. When Shivaji was a baby, Shah Jahan, the Mughal emperor, had dispatched and sent a big army to capture the Dakkan. Even so, in this unsettled condition or in this unsettled situation, Jizabai did not neglect his education. She was Shivaji's first teacher. She was used to teach him every evening. She would light the household lamps and then She called Shivaji to her and she was telling him all the stories. Even your grandparents tells you stories, yes na, right at night. So like that, Jizabai also told so many stories to Shivaji Maharaj. She would shower all her affection on him. She loved him and tell him stories of Rama, Krishna, Bhim and Abhimanyu. On other occasions, suppose on festivals or on special days, she would recite to him devotional songs of Saint Namdev, Saint Naneshwar or Saint Eknath. And all these saints, they are doing very good work and they also help Shivaji Maharaj in the establishment of Hindavi Swaraj. Shivaji likes to listen to stories. He also likes to listen the interesting things of brave men. He felt that on growing up, he should also show the great courage which would showed by all these great men. Jizabai used to tell him the stories of saints, and as I told you, the stories of Rama, Krishna, Bhim, Abhimanyu, and that instilled in him and he respected and honored all the saints and great men. Now, the children from poor families, the children of Mavlas, used to play with Shivaji Maharaj, and even Shivaji Maharaj liked to play with them. Sometimes he visited them in their hearts to play or just to go and visit them. And he also shared their simple meal of onion and bhakri with a great relish. He enjoyed this meal with them. Now, when they were playing, the children of Mavlas and Shivaji Maharaj, they invented interesting games to pass their time. Even you all play now the games, yes, right? So even they were playing the games to pass their time. Now the children of Mavlas were behave like birds in the forest. They were free. Whatever they want to do, they were doing. They imitated the sounds of the cuckoo, parrot, and tiger. And they were so perfect in imitating those sounds. Their pastime was building forts of earth and making earthen animals like elephants and horses. They were using that mud horses and mud elephants and they were making fort of mud. Yes, even you also make na when Diwali festival is there, isn't it? Yes, and they were also playing hide and seek or play with a top. You all know top, no? And a ball. Shivaji joined them in all these games and became popular with them. Such a beautiful forts. Yes, isn't it? You like it, no? Now, children, we will do the quick recap of this part. Okay? So, first point is Jizabai did not neglect Shivaji's education in spite of highly unsettled condition. And second point, she told him stories of Rama, Krishna, Bhima and Abhimanyu. Next, she recited devotional songs and instilled respect for saints and great men. Building small earthen forts, elephants, and horses, playing hide and seek or playing with a ball or a top was the pastime of the children of the Mavlats. Children, we will start with our assessment. Okay? Whether the following statement are true or false. You first, your first statement. Okay? Now, true, if it is true, the statement is correct. Means you have to write true. And if the statement is incorrect, you all will write false. So, see the first statement. Young Shivaji Maharaj passed the first 6 years of his life very comfortably. Think about it. Yes? You think? Yes. So, the statement is false because he passed the first 6 years of his life in highly unsettled conditions. The statement is false. So we are going to write false. Okay? So see the second statement. Young Shivaji played with the children from the poor families. Think about it. Yes, the statement is correct. So we are going to write true. Yes? Now, next, answer in one word. So, see the first question. The simple meal shared by young Shivaji with the children of poor Mavlas. Think about it. Okay. Whose devotional songs did Jizabai recite to young Shivaji Maharaj? Yes. So the children answers are here. The first answer is onion and bhakri. And the second answer is yes, Sant Naneshwar, Namdev or Eknath. I will repeat it for you again, children. First, our first question is the simple meal shared by young Shivaji with the children of poor Mavla. And the answer is onion and bhakri. Our second question is whose devotional songs did Jizabai recite to young Shivaji? Yes, Saint Naneshwar, Saint Namdev, and Saint Eknath. So, children, here we studied about Shivaji's childhood. So, children, we will meet again in the next video and continue our third part. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.